In front of me is HTC Desire 20 Plus, and let me show you how to activate night mode on this phone. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select display, and then go to night light. And here you can smoothly activate it by tapping on turn on now, so it's quite simple. And as you can see, here you can change the intensity, so from now on it is active, and here you can customize it. Then if you'd like to switch it off, just tap on turn off now. But also you can schedule night light. To do it, just click on schedule, and here you can customize it, so it can be either active from sunset to sunrise, or you can pick the hours between which it will be on. So to do it, just click on custom time and then select start and end time. So just click on start time and then end time. And from now on, night light will be active between those hours. Sorry. If you'd like to turn off schedule, just tap on none then. You can also access night light pretty quickly through the upper bar, smoothly slide it up, and here it is. Just tap once, and now it is active. To deactivate it, just click again. And this is it. This is how you can activate this feature. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.